I want to talk for just a second about how I use stretching versus mobility, right? So with a tool, foam roller, massage, a massage ball. I use stretching as a check-in. So I move my body every day, and I guess you could call that stretching, what you might typically think of as stretching, right? So taking a joint to end range and just feeling into how that feels. But I don't necessarily use stretching to release things. So I don't crank on a stretch to try to really get it to release. If something feels really tight to me at that end range, then I will use mobility. So I'll go back and loosen it up with a tool or with my hands or with the foam roller, and then I'll go back and stretch it again. So to me, stretching is blood flow, is movement, is feedback, is information, but I don't necessarily crank on the stretch because I have found that sometimes that doesn't release the things that are actually sticky and adhesed and need releasing, but rather it just stretches the things that are already able to stretch. So, food for thought, a little stretching and mobility ideas.